Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Vijay Bhandari, Associate Professor in SIIT CSE Department. So let's discuss today's Python dictionary. What is a Python dictionary? How we create a dictionary in Python, right? So first I will tell you what is the data types. So I have discussed with you in previous lectures what are the data types. So we have seen till now there are different data types like list, tuples, right, sets, and different kind of data types are there, but a few of them I have explained to you. Now the dictionary is also important data types in Python. So how to create the Python dictionary I will tell you, right? Now creating a dictionary is as simple as placing items inside curly braces separated by commas. That is called dictionary, right? So dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values that is used to store data data values like a map, which unlike other data types that holds only a single values as an elements. So we can say dictionary holds value as an elements. Dictionary holds the key and value pairs, right? So always remember that key colon value. So this will be generated by curly braces, right? So this is the dictionary. So dictionary forms into form of key value is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized. That's why the item has a key and a corresponding value that is expressed as a key value. But be aware about that keys in a dictionary that don't allow polymorphism, right? So it is important to note that the dictionary have been modified to maintain insertions orders with the release of Python version 3.7. So they are now ordered collection of data values, right? So keeping in memory and doing the some operations in Python dictionary. So we have to be aware about that. So while the values can be of any data types and can be repeated, and keys must be of immutable types, that is strings, numbers, or tuples with immutable elements that cannot be edited, that must be unique, right? So strings can't be edited, tuples can't be edited, right? So that must be unique, right? So here I will show you how it works. So first you create the empty dictionary my dict, as I have taking the variables, and this is the empty dictionary. So dictionary with the integers keys like my dict dictionary 1 colon apple. So 1 is the key and apple is the value. 2 is the key and ball is the value. So dictionary with mixed keys like my dictionary name John 1243, like name having a John name and 1 colon 243. So using dict my dict 1 colon apple and 2 comma 2 colon ball. So from sequencing having each items as a pair, my dict is equal to dict. So 1 comma apple and 2 comma ball. So this is my when you print my dict, so it will be print 1 apple and 2 colon ball. So that is called the dictionary. So how we will play with the dictionary? So dictionary keys are case sensitive. The same name but different cases of key will be treated distinctly, right? So hopefully you understood the dictionary, right? And dictionary can also be created by the built-in functions like dict, right, which I have shown you here. An empty dictionary can be created by just placing two curly braces, right? So here I've created the curly braces, so that is the empty dictionary, right? So from some example I will uh, show you some examples so that you can explore into dictionary, right? Let's do some practicals on that. First, I will open the Ideally. So I request to everyone, when I teach you, practice some examples. So please do it with my session. If you have any doubts, so please ask your queries on live, right? So first I will create the dictionary. So DICT, sorry, DICT is equal to, in curly braces, that is dictionary. It is created. Now I will print the dictionary. So this is the empty dictionary, right? That is output of dict, that I print empty dictionary, right? So creating a empty dictionary here with the dict method. Now I will show you another example of that. DICT is equal to dict. Here one colon visit. Now two colon Dari. Now three colon, you can just give some example or element, other don't need it, right? Now I will print. Now I will print it and backslash n dictionary with the use of dict. Now I will print dictionary, print DICT. Now this is the one is key and Vijay is value, two is key and value is Bhandari. So what will be the output of that? Empty dictionary first and dictionary with the use of dict. So one colon gigs, Vijay and two means Bhandari. So dictionary with the each item as a pair, it is showing here. We can create as well as nested CDTs, nested dictionaries also. So there will be a different keys that belonging to value set of one, and where I can also denote the key number three that will be denoted as nested keys. So value set like welcome to Bhopal. Now nested keys can A belongs to welcome, B belongs to two, and C belongs to Bhopal. So that will be treated as a nested dictionary. So we can print it like nested dictionary, right? So you can create the nested dictionary. So here I give you another example of that. Dictionary is equal to one colon visit, two colon Bhandari, comma three colon Bhopal, right? So I will create here nested CDT, right? So I am using another dictionary, right? Now I will use here C colon welcome to Bhopal. Right now I will use comma and B, right? Comma, colon, 2, right? Okay, okay, comma, colon C, right? Then colon SIRT. Now I closed with dictionary. So I will print dict. That is a nested city. That is a beautifulness of the nested city dictionary. One as it is Vijay, one colon Vijay, two colon Bandari, three colon. Now it will create another dictionary. Welcome to Bhopal, right? And SIRT. So C will be SIRT and B2 this, right? So here it is the like nested CDD, like A belongs to welcome, B belongs to 2, and C belongs to Bhopal, right? So hopefully you will you are understanding this video and this lecture, right? And if you have any doubt, so you can make it clear with me. You can just put your queries on this, right? I take some another example of adding the elements to a dictionary. So how we can add the elements into a dictionary, right? If you have any doubt, if you don't understand some or missed any uh, dictionary part, so you can just put your query in your chat box, right? So I will clear it. So in Python dictionary, the adding of elements can be done in a multiple ways, right? One value at a time can be added to a dictionary by defining value along with the keys. Dict keys is equal to values, right? Updating an existing value in dictionary can be done by using the built-in updates methods. Nested key values can also be added to an existing dictionaries. So while adding a value, if the key values already exist, so value gets updated. Otherwise, a new key with the values are added to the dictionary. So here I just creating the dictionary, empty dictionary, and after adding an element on into that, right? So first I will create dictionary. This is the empty dictionary. Now I will print empty dictionary. This is the empty dictionary, right? Now adding the elements one at a time, right? So I will dict add the elements equal to Bhopal. Now another dictionary I am taking one SIRT. Now another dictionary I am creating third is equal to CSC department. Now I will print the dictionary. So I first created the empty dictionary, then I print empty dictionary. Then I am adding elements dict 0, Bhopal, dict 1, SIRT, dict 3, CSC departments. So it is creating 0 keys will be adding elements Bhopal, 1 key adding element SIRT, and third element as a key will be adding the value of CSC departments. Now we will be understanding this. So now I will print dictionary after adding 3 elements on it. Okay, now print. So this is another way of that, right? So just we can a representation of your task, right? Now if I want to adding set of values to a single value, so I can use dict, right? Value sets is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now I can print this backslash n and dictionary after adding element, right? So dictionary after adding elements, this can be things, right? Now I can print dict 0 Bhopal SIIT 3 CSE department value set. Now what is the value here setting? 2 3 4. Here I have set it, right? And dictionary after adding elements, this kind of the output of this. So if you have any doubts, so please keep your query, put your query in chat box. I will clear it. Hope so this lecture will be clear to you, and if you have any doubts, so put your queries on that. So today's I conclude this lecture. We have seen what is a dictionary, what is a type of the dictionary, and how it denotes key and value pairs, how we can add elements into that, how we can work with the nested dictionaries, right? So many of the operations we have performed here, right? So in next lectures we will see some specific programming in Python. So thank you for listening and learning it. Thanks.